This is going to be a very short, very to the point video about the fact that is it about to get really bad for crypto and you need to protect yourself if you're a crypto holder. This is breaking crypto news. Here we go. Okay. So right now, crypto has been moving down really pretty steadily for the past couple of days, continues to move down today, and we're going to continue to see it move down as we roll into the rest of this week. We've got major things at play here. Number one, been doing reports and analysis, looking at them all day. We've got a downside risk for Bitcoin moving down to probably $35,000. That could be the number where we see support and liquidity come back into Bitcoin. So that's about a 10 to 15% move down from where we're at right now. And that's key. Remember, Bitcoin is 50% of the overall crypto market. Is Bitcoin. So where it goes, the rest shall follow. We might see Ethereum roll below, 2,000. We see Cardano roll down 10 to 15%. Solana roll down into the high 70s. XRP move down into the high 40-cent range. All crypto is going to be impacted here because of the uncertainty and the risk that's in the market right now. And this is where you need to protect yourself. And by the way, protect yourself doesn't mean sell everything and get the hell out. It means understand what is going. And that's why I made this video for you. Okay. So here's what's at play. We have a tremendous amount of liquidity and a tremendous amount of capital sitting on the sidelines because there's too much risk and uncertainty right now. Remember that Bitcoin equation, 35,000, all major cryptos could move 10 or 15% down. That's capital and liquidity that's waiting to enter the market as we see prices fall. Okay. So beyond that, the other uncertainty and risk factors we've got sitting out there is on Friday of this week, January 26th, we are going to be getting the key Federal Reserve interest rate report called the PCE report. Okay. This is the one that the Fed really looks at. We already had the CPI report come out earlier this month. It was hotter than expected, which wasn't good. It wasn't that bad, but it was a little hotter than expected. And by the way, hotter is not a good thing. The numbers were a little higher. So the Fed really looks at this report that we're going to get on Friday. Again, uncertainty and risk rolling into Friday. What's that report going to say? I don't know. So thus the decision of everybody from retail investors to capital, to major capital-based institutional investors is to wait to see what we see, to see how this continues, which is how I think we're going to continue to see a move down. The bears are going to be in control for the rest of this week. I'm hoping I'm wrong, but that seems to be what everybody is pretty much agreeing on. Okay. Friday, we get the PCE report. Again, uncertainty and risk leading into that. Then, we get the second punch of what's going to happen or not, i.e. risk uncertainty of on the 31st, which is next week of January, the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting is going to take place, and we're going to get revealed on what the Fed's going to do or not about leaving the interest rate hike in place or raising it. The fear here is if we get a hotter than expected PCE report, coupled with the CPI report that I told you about we got earlier this month, will they raise it? Again, the fear is we don't know. Now, right now, there's still about a 97% chance, that's what the street is calling for, that the Fed will not raise the interest rate. If they don't, then you will most likely start to see capital liquidity come back into the market. Okay. So what this comes down to is that from now until about the 31st of January, until we know what the Fed's going to do, we might get visibility in it on Friday. If that report comes in cool, that PCE report that I told you, we could get a bounce there. Okay. So the risk here is that it's about to get really bad for crypto, is we might see a 10 to 15+% move down from current levels of where we're at now, even lower, because of the uncertainty and risk and lack of liquidity, lack of capital in the markets right now. Okay. So stay tuned to the channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe, turn on that bell notification so that you know when I know, I'll be letting you know. I said no like 4 times there, but you know what I'm talking about. Did it again. Okay. All right. I will let you go. Thanks for all your support. Truly. By the way, links in the description below to Margex if you want to check them out. Best trading platform out there. There's a 20% referral bonus down there if you use my link. And this is where I'm moving all my trading to. Really great platform, easy to get money in and out of. They have the combined liquidity of 12 plus exchanges. That's pretty darn good. So check them out. There's a 20% referral bonus if you use my referral bonus code thing down there. See you.